Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell an easy way to find a, b and k values in MCQs by using ratios of coefficients in pair of linear equations. We know that a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These two are pair of linear equations, and if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 and those lines intersect at a point and they have a unique solution and they are consistent. These are the lines, pair of linear equations which intersect at a point. And if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, and those lines are coincident lines and they have infinitely many solutions and they are consistent. So these are the lines. And if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, then those lines are parallel lines and they have no solution and they are inconsistent. So these are the parallel lines. Now you can apply this tip in problems. If not equal to means I, U, C, this is intersect at a point, unique solution, consistent, and 2 equals, then C, I, C, coincident, infinitely many solutions and consistent, and equal, not equal, then P and I, parallel lines, no solution and inconsistent. Now I am going to tell how to find a, b and k values. The first type is if the pair of linear equations can be parallel or coincident or intersect at a point. For example, the value of k, for which the pair of linear equations 6x plus ky plus 10 is equal to 0 and 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0, represents parallel lines. So here these lines are parallel lines, and here a1 is 6 and b1 is k, and a2 is 2 and b2 is minus 1. So here these lines are parallel, so a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. And here we have to take these ratios because here we want to find b1. So 6 by 2 is equal to k by minus 1. That is k is equal to cross multiply here 6 into minus 1 by 2, that is minus 3. This is second question. Find k value if 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0 and kx plus 6y plus 24 is equal to 0 are coincident lines. So here coincident lines means equal. So you can use these ratios. A1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 because here a2 value you have to find k, that is k. So 9 by k is equal to 3 by 6, that is k is equal to 9 into 6 by 3, that is equal to 18. Next, type 2. In this type, if we have to find the k value, if the pair of linear equations have unique or infinitely many solutions or no solutions. So the examples here are, the first one is kx plus 2y is equal to 5 and 3x plus y is equal to 1 has a unique solution if k is dash. So here the pair of linear equations has a unique solution and we have to find k value. Here k is a1, so this is b1 is 2 and a2 is 3 and b2 is 1. So unique solutions means we know that I, U, C, here unique solution, and those are intersected at a point, so not equal to. So you can try like this, and these ratios are not equal, so a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then k by 3 is not equal to 2 by 1, that is k is not equal to 6. So here k is not equal to 6. This is the answer. This is next problem. If 5x minus 3y minus 11 is equal to 0 and kx plus 6y plus 22 is equal to 0 has infinitely many solutions, then k value is dash. So here these two equations infinitely many solutions. So infinitely many solutions means C, I, C coincident lines. So equal. You can apply equal. A1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 because here a2 is k. So you can use this one. 5 by k is equal to minus 3 by 6, that is minus 3k is equal to 6 into 5. Then k is equal to 6 into 5 by minus 3, that is minus 10. This is second problem from exercise 3.5 from NCERT, for which values of a and b does the following pair of linear equations have an infinite number of solutions. So here we have to find a and b values, and the lines have infinite number of solutions. So here the pair of linear equations are 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. So here a1 is 2 and b1 is 3 and c1 is 7. And next equation is a minus b into x plus a plus b into y is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. So here a2 is a minus b and b2 is a plus b because this is x coefficient and this is y coefficient, and c2 constant is 3a plus b minus 2. So here infinite number of solutions. So here this is you can apply infinitely number of solutions means CIC, so coincident lines, so equal equal equal. Then you can use these ratios because you have to find a b values, so you have to use these ratios and again these ratios also. So a1 by, first take these ratios, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Then here a1 is 2, 2 by a minus b is equal to 3 by a plus b. Now cross multiply here, then 2 into a plus b is equal to 3 into a minus b. Next 2a plus 2b is equal to 3a minus 3b. So 3b plus 2b is equal to 3a minus 2a, that is 5b is equal to a. This is first equation. And next ratios are b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So 3 by b1 is 3 by b2 is a plus b is equal to, here constant 7 by 3a plus b minus 2. So here both constants are on right side, so no need to put negative sign. And if you cross multiply this, then 3 into 3a plus b minus 2 is equal to 7 into a plus b. Then 3 3s are 9a plus 3b minus 6 is equal to 7a plus 7b. Then 9a minus 7a minus 6 is equal to 7b minus 3b. Then 2a minus 6 is equal to 4b. Then 2 into 5b minus 6 is equal to, because here a value is 5b, so 2 into 5b minus 6 is equal to 4b. Then 10b minus 4b is 6, then 6b is equal to 6, then b is equal to 1. Then a is equal to 5b, so a is equal to 5 into 1, that is 5. So here a value is 5 and b is equal to 1. This is second question. For which value of k will the following pair of linear equations have no solution? So no solution means p and I. So those are parallel lines. So parallel lines means equal and not equal. So use this ratio, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. And here the equations are 3x plus y is equal to 1 and 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y is equal to 2k plus 1. Here also constants are on, both constants are on right side and no need to change the sign here. And here a2 is 2k minus 1 and b2 is k minus 1 and this is c2, and here a1 is 3 and b1 is 1 and c1 is 1. So now a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. So here 3 by a1 is 3 by 2k minus 1 is equal to 1, here b1 is 1, 1 by k minus 1. So cross multiply here, then 3 into k minus 1 is equal to 2k minus 1, that is 3k minus 3 is equal to 2k minus 1, then 3k minus 2k is equal to minus 1 plus 3, that is k is equal to 2. Next type of questions, here we have to find k value if the pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. So for example, find k value if x minus y is equal to 8 and 3x plus ky is equal to 76 are inconsistent. So here inconsistent, so P and I, inconsistent means parallel lines. Those lines are parallel lines, so equal and not equal. Then here a1 is 1 and b1 is minus 1 and a2 is 3 and b2 is k. So here we have to find b2 value. So a1 by a2 is equal parallel lines, so a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. So is not equal to c1 by c2, but here you can use only these ratios. a1 by a2 is 1 by 3 is equal to minus 1 by k. Here b1 is minus 1, so minus 1 by k, then k is equal to 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. Now please do this practice worksheet. And here are the answers.